Have you met the problems? Even for small orders, your shipment was delayed. We own 3 factories, which produce fashion sweaters, Christmas sweaters, and woven garments, respectively. We can complete production of sample in 7 days. For 20,000 pieces production, we need 30 days. We provide end-to-end service from production to door-to-door. We have experienced business specialists who will provide full support throughout the entire process, ensuring the accuracy and the timeliness of your information exchange. We have a complete range of craftsmanship, including jacquard knitting, embroidery, printing, and washing, and we have a comprehensive production system for this. With 20 years of production experience and quality control, we boast a pass rate of over 99% and an on-time delivery rate of 100%. If you have different design ideas for the packaging, we also accept the customized packaging. You can come to our factory to have a look how we work, how we production, and how we make a quality checking, and how many pieces we can produce per month. If you want to find a professional manufacturer, please contact us.